Hey everyone, today we're going to shake things up and talk about one of the most powerful forces on Earth, earthquakes. So, what exactly is an earthquake? Well, imagine the Earth's surface as a giant puzzle made up of large pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are always moving, but they sometimes get stuck when they push against each other. Over time, a lot of energy builds up. When that energy finally gets released, it sends waves called seismic waves through the earth. And these waves make the ground shake. That's what we feel as an earthquake. We measure the strength of earthquakes using something called the Richter scale. A small earthquake, around a 3.0, might feel like a little rumble. But a big one, say around 7.0 or more, can cause buildings to collapse, landslides to happen, and even create tsunamis. Earthquakes are common along tectonic plate boundaries, like the Pacific Ring of Fire. This is an area where many earthquakes and volcanoes occur because of the movement of the plates there. Countries like Japan, Indonesia, and parts of the western United States experience a lot of earthquakes because they sit right on these active boundaries. Scientists study earthquakes to understand more about our planet. They're even working on ways to predict them. But it's really hard to know exactly when an earthquake will happen. Now, if you're ever in an earthquake, there are some simple steps to stay safe. Remember, drop, cover, and hold on. Host, voiceover. That means dropping down to avoid falling, finding cover under something sturdy like a table, and holding on until the shaking stops. It's the safest way to protect yourself. So that's the scoop on earthquakes. They're powerful, unpredictable, and remind us of how incredible and sometimes intense our planet can be. Thanks for watching and stay safe.